Hi guys, and welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll show you guys what to do with your leftover ham. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe. Please be sure to follow me on Instagram and also on Facebook. It's Callie J's Kitchen. So here I have some ham, and this is the Lily's ham that I'm using. And what I did, I went ahead and just cut off slices of the ham, put it in the fridge, in the freezer part of the fridge. And yes, I allow it to just stay there for a while, and then I remove it and allow it to defrost, and this is what it looks like. So this recipe is very easy, quick and simple. If you want to go ahead and warm up your ham, you can always go ahead and do so. If you want to just make a cold wrap, this is perfect. All right, so I have 2 tortilla wrap. You can opt to use 1 if you want to use 1, but I decided to add 2 just to make it a little bit thick. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go in and add some mayonnaise. If you don't want to add mayonnaise, you can always leave it out. If you want to use some ketchup or some barbecue sauce, you can always go ahead and use it. Now, I'm going to add some lettuce. Please be sure to wash your lettuce nicely and chop it up in some small pieces. Now, if you have sweet corn at home and you want to add some sweet corn, you can always go ahead and use it as well. So I'm gonna go in and add the ham. Like I said, you can use the ham cold, or you can go ahead and add just use the warm ham if you want. It's up to you what you want to do. So I'm gonna add some bell peppers. I will also go in and add some onion. The onion is optional because I know that some persons don't like onions. So if you don't want to add the onion, you can go ahead and just leave it out. I will also add some hot and spicy sauce, and yes, I bought the hot and spicy sauce at the supermarket. If you want, you can always go ahead and make your own. Very quick, very easy and simple. I will also go in and add some more mayo. If you have mustard at home, you can always go ahead and use the mustard. So once I add all of that, I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap it up nicely. And once you're wrapping, you want to ensure that you wrap it tight because you don't want any of that vegetables to drop out. I still have a little that spill over, but that is okay. So once it comes together nicely, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna go ahead and fold both ends, and you want to make sure that you have toothpicks nearby. You just go ahead and push it from one corner to the other just to keep that wrap in place. You can always go ahead and toast your wrap. If you want to toast it, you can have it just as it is. Very quick, very easy, very convenient. The family will love it. Now you just use a short knife to just slice it in 2 halves, and you have the most amazing ham wrap for you and your family. So again, we're just gonna make another one, and it is the same procedure. We're just gonna add some mayonnaise, we're gonna add some lettuce, then we're gonna go in and add the ham. You can add any amount of ham that you want to add. We're just gonna add some more of the bell peppers, and also we're gonna add some more of the onion along with the hot and spicy sauce and some more of the mayo. And this was just quick, convenient, easy to prepare, and my family enjoy it, and I'm sure your family will enjoy it. So once I'm finished, I will come back, and we're also gonna go ahead and slice into it, and we're gonna serve it up. I'll show you what the inside looks like, and you guys can let me know if this is something that you would try. Again, once you decided to fold your wrap, your ham wrap, you want to make sure that you fold it properly. You want to make sure that you fold it as tight as possible because you don't want all of that vegetables to spill out. And this is it. So we're just gonna slice into it, and basically we're finished. So I hope you guys enjoy today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and give it a try and let me know what you think. What I did, I just put aside some of the hot and spicy sauce and just make a dip for the family, and yes, they did enjoy. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this amazing ham recipe, and let me know what you did with your leftover ham. Remember, you can always go ahead and make some soup if you want to make some soup, but leave your suggestion down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow.